Welcome to the Vocab School by Manu and Tinku. Our aim is to enhance your English vocabulary by introducing one new word daily. Let's see what word we are learning today. Word of the day is Pinnacle. In this video we will learn its origin, form, literal meaning and practical usage. Let the learning begin. Let's begin the video by discussing the origin of the word pinnacle. What do we know? The word pinnacle comes from the Middle English word pinnacle, which was borrowed from the Old French word pinnacle. The Old French term was derived from the late Latin word pinnaculum, which means a small wing or peak. Ultimately, Latin term is related to pinna, meaning wing or feather. Do leave a comment if you know more about the origin of pinnacle. Now, pinnacle is a noun, meaning the most successful point or the culmination of something or someone. Like we say, he had reached the pinnacle of his career. For your knowledge, a noun is a word representing a person, place, thing or concept. Amazing, right? Now moving on to the literal meaning of pinnacle. What do we know? The literal meaning of pinnacle is the highest point or peak of something, typically referring to a mountain, building or structure. It can also be used metaphorically to describe the highest point of achievement, success or excellence in a particular field or context. So we learned the origin, form and literal meaning of the word pinnacle. It is time to learn the similar and opposite words for pinnacle. Learn these important words as they add more valuable words into your daily vocabulary. Some similar words for pinnacle are summit, apex, peak, crest and zenith. Some opposite words like bottom, depths, trough, valley and abyss. Learn these important words and share them with friends and family. Now let's understand the practical usage of the word pinnacle by using it in sentences. Here are some examples. They climbed to the pinnacle of the rock. Or, he had reached the pinnacle of his career. Thanks for watching. If you learned the word of the day, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the Vocab School and follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Happy learning and have a nice day.